Well, aside from a bunch of lights that are on here, the one that's causing trouble is the check engine light. This one right here is the one we're having trouble with. And what have we done? What's the issue? Is it on the computer? Does it say Lambda sensor? Yes.
The last Lambda sensor, the second one? Yes, that one.
So you have to spend about 600 euros almost just for a Lambda sensor, right? And if not, well?
Now and all, man, not that much.
But maybe depending.
Depending.
Maybe around 600 euros. What's up? They sell something in China? Don't they say the Chinese do it very well? Everything now, well, look, where is it here, Javier? What's going on? Look. Well, I saw this on Facebook or Instagram. I don't remember. It's a video. I'm sure you've seen it. It says, remove the check engine light from your car. And I thought, how much could this be worth? And it cost about 6 euros, so I bought it. Let's see if this is a scam or if it really removes the check engine label. What do you think? Let's do this test, Javier. Let's do it. Come on, let's put this on. Where does the Lambda sensor go? Let's see if it works now. What Javier is going to do. Wait, I can't. Okay? From here? Come on, Javier. Now he's going to find the error. List of errors. Are you going to delete them now? No.
Yes, I'm going to delete it.
This way, there is no engine error. And then we're going to put the filter on this. We're going to start it up and see if it does the trick. Don't you think it will? I don't know. Will it work? I don't know. It will, but you have to bet. Come on, no.
No, with these things I do.
Isn't there a breakfast or something? You say it doesn't work?
Well, I don't know. No.
Well, Javier doesn't want to bet, but I do. I say this isn't going to work. So leave it in the comments quick, because in a moment we're going to see if it works or not. So leave it in the messages. If you thought or if you think, because you haven't seen it yet, whether this works or not, let's get to it. My name is Mark, and I'm crazy about cars. Today in Mark's garage, we have a future classic, a true young-timer, my Mercedes SLK. And like any good car with years behind it, the dreaded check engine light has appeared on the dashboard. There's a video online that claims this 6 euro filter can solve the problem. Is it true or just a myth? No. So that means it's hidden. Right, Javier?
Yes, well, the Lambda sensor is this, but of course, since you have to turn it, you have to take it out. Otherwise, the wires might break.
And what we adapt is that Lambda sensor.
It's not here with the filter, it goes here. I mean, it screws in here.
Screw it in here, then connect with the same cable.
Yes, it's all the same. Let's see. Yes, it is.
How easy. It didn't come out as it should. Has it seen better days? No, yes, it's terrible. Well, let's try it.
Let's try it. That's right. Let's see. We're going to leave this here. It can't fall to the ground or anything. It's very delicate. This goes here, this gets screwed in here.
It's like a filter. Yeah, you're not going to tighten it yet. Or are you going to tighten it? I want to check.
I want to check.
Let me see the thread, or if it fits, no.
If it fits, that's fine. Yeah, okay, so I'll put this first. And then I'll put the other thing. I'll put this first.
I think I paid 6 or 8 euros, right? Let's see.
You didn't pay a thing.
No, just imagine. It's super cheap.
Not even a penny.
If this works, it's a miracle.
Screw in the Lambda sensor very carefully so the cable doesn't get tangled.
This is a special video for car dealers.
Yes.
Would you delete this or not?
This comment.
I mostly did it just to see. You know, when you see these videos on the internet and you say, no, this can't be, this is a scam. They charge 6 or 8 euros plus shipping, but in reality, this doesn't work. It's just a scam for fools. And I want to show in the video that these things don't work.
All right, well, let's just set everything up again.
If you want to set it up, let's try it and see. Yeah, because if it doesn't work, we'll take it out and throw it in the trash.
Feeling it works, but well, right? Well, let's try it, yes.
Because then we throw it in the trash, you know, Gustavo? All right, go. Are you watching Mark's Garage?
Well, it looks like it works.
Look. I can't believe it, Javier.
Me neither.
That's why I told you not to set it up, because now I was going to tell you to take it out. And we would throw it in the trash, and it made me laugh. Wait, let's turn off the car again and start it. Because it's just not... That's it. No, it didn't work. No, damn. No, that little noise again. What did he say?
No.
No, let's see.
The light bulb comes out.
Let's show you up close. The beep was because the light bulb is bad, but as you can see, no light now. Well, damn. Javier, well, it left me speechless. Sometimes these videos are real.
Let's see. If you want, I'll run the scanner now. Let's see what it tells me. Ah.
It stopped. It stopped while working. This one really stopped while working. This one stopped while working. Well, guys, let's see what happens. The car isn't working well anymore. Let's try starting it again.
No, I don't know if it's because of Javier Motors' light. Why did it stop?
And this horn?
That's because it's talking about the bulb.
And why did it stop? The car? It's automatic, it doesn't stop. Weird, huh? Well, we'll explain more to you soon. It's cold, huh, Javier? Maybe he dislikes it because it's cold.
He likes it. He stopped.
The Lambda sensor has nothing to do with it stopping, right?
Well,
some reading could be incorrect and it stopped.
yes, it's possible. It's possible since everything goes electronically through the control unit.
But on the other hand, no warning light has come on.
No?
Strange, isn't it like you're messing with me? Something's wrong? Yes. I don't believe it, but I'll pay.
Let's talk about the latter, okay?
Let's see if Chinese products will improve now that they're raising quality. Javier, let's see if I need to stay quiet. According to the description, it says it has a microfilter that cleans. I don't know, curious things?
The machine works really well. You don't like it, but I love it. I like it.
Because when we did it, I got an error.
I deleted it because we didn't know how to use it. Now we know how to use it, and it works really well. I'm very happy.
This machine is not super cheap.
Yes, for what it is, from what I've seen, yes. The only thing I find a bit uncomfortable about this machine is this cable, but, well...
Because it's very short.
No, because it's a bit uncomfortable.
So you don't do it with yes?
No, because they can't separate you. You can't just say you'll put it on the ceiling. You have to be inside it.
If the cable were a little bit longer?
Not in the Ambrico. If it were in the Ambrico, well, it would be ideal. But anyway, it works pretty well. Now I understand, and it goes in automatically.
They did give us this machine to try out, but if it doesn't work, I'll say so, because I'm not like most YouTubers. Oh, everything is fantastic. No, but this sensor thing, no, this is like one of those ads you and I look at and you wonder, can this really work? I wasn't given anything for free, I'm not advertising, and I haven't named the brand or where I bought it.
So that says it all, you see? Okay, it's this vehicle, all right?
How exciting, right? We have two SLKs today. One is the distant relative.
Automatic transmission. Now it's doing the sweep.
There are no more errors, and let's see if the engine problem comes up. Yes.
It takes a few minutes.
No, huh? Everything comes out green now. Yes.
Only one issue remains.
What is he? The train is very tiny.
Yes, the chassis, but it could be the doors. There were some errors in the door motors. This car has a lot of control units. There's a control unit in each door, each window.
What does it mean when it shows up gray?
That there's nothing?
And green?
Huh? It's fine. There's a switchboard. I mean, I made one. It switches to the switchboard and turns green, and it's okay.
That's when the problem appears in orange, right? Yes, Samef, the error appears. It means it's already malfunctioning.
Let's see. Here it explains it like this, when it shows up in that color.
It's malfunctioning. Orange means it doesn't work. Just an error now.
So we remove it, done. And control unit error, huh? This could be what was done, that it was stopped.
Yes, stored, huh? Yes.
Okay, and the rest is the component?
The switch? Yes, that's done. The parking light is not working. Okay, well, we already knew that. Everything else is clean. Well then, soon I'll let you know in the community if it's still working or if something has gone wrong. If anyone is interested, leave messages in the community and I'll keep you updated. Well, that's it for today, a super short video.
Well, we don't have a gas analysis. We'll have to see if the car is doing well.
Then I could take it to pass the inspection. Let's see what they tell me. Yeah, okay, so let's do this. I'll try to pass the inspection and see if everything turns out fine. Fatal, let's go to the inspection. My name is Mark and I'm crazy about cars. I'm calling.